Does it feel like the world is working against you? Like every step forward pulls you 2 steps back? What if I told you this might not be a punishment, but an invitation to grow? Let's uncover how to shift from frustration to clarity and take back control of your energy. One, observe negative beliefs without judgment. When life feels like it's falling apart, our first instinct is often to panic or blame ourselves. But here's the thing, negative beliefs aren't here to punish you. They're here to guide you. When you face a challenge, ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? What belief is feeding this emotion? For example, if you feel stuck in your career, it might stem from a belief that you're not capable of achieving more. Recognizing this is the first step toward letting it go. 2. Understand that growth starts with awareness. Like we've discussed in our previous videos, being the observer is key. Instead of reacting to your emotions, sit with them. Imagine you're watching a movie about your life. What patterns do you notice? Negative beliefs often hide in autopilot behaviors, like criticizing yourself or comparing your life to others. By pausing to reflect, you can break free from those loops. 3. Shift your energy by asking empowering questions. One way to rewrite your beliefs is to ask new questions. Instead of thinking, why is this happening to me? Try, what can this teach me? For instance, if you faced rejection, it could be showing you the areas where you need more confidence or alignment with your true goals. Changing your questions changes your focus, and that changes your energy. 4. The power of releasing and replacing beliefs. Once you've identified the beliefs holding you back, replace them with empowering ones. Let's say you've believed, I'm not good enough. Rewrite that to, I'm constantly learning and growing. Reinforce this with tools like affirmations and visualizations, as we've shown in earlier videos. Life's challenges aren't meant to break you. They're designed to reveal the strength you didn't know you had. If this resonates with you, subscribe to learn more ways to align with your highest self. And remember, you're not stuck, you're shifting.